A lone figure huddled beneath a flickering street lamp, swallowed by the concrete chill of the city. The rhythmic thud of worn boots echoed in the desolate night. Could this be the echo of a miracle unfolding, even in the harshest of urban landscapes? A testament to the enduring power of kindness and the redemptive nature of forgiveness. Jack, weathered by years of unspoken resentment and grief frozen in time, found himself kneeling on the cold pavement. He stared into the weary face of his father, a man he believed lost forever, his heart a storm of conflicting emotions.
Memories flickered, a younger, vibrant Thomas full of life, a stark contrast to the haggard figure before him. It was too much, too soon. The years of unanswered questions, the uncried tears, threatened to drown him.
The air within the apartment felt thick with the weight of the past, almost suffocating. Jack's wife Emily stood frozen, her gaze darting between Jack and the unexpected guest.
Their friend Whitney, a calm presence even in the face of the palpable tension, rested a comforting hand on Jack's shoulder.
Her eyes, wise and empathetic, reflected the raw despair she had witnessed in Thomas just hours earlier.
As the initial shock subsided, the truth unraveled like a forgotten story.
"I was a prisoner, Jack," Thomas confessed, his voice raspy with regret. "By the time I escaped, it was too late. Your mother?"
Silence descended, thick and suffocating, each breath a stark reminder of stolen years and shattered dreams. A battle raged within Jack. The anger that had festered for years threatened to consume him.
"I waited for you, Dad."
He finally choked out, the words heavy with the anguish of a childhood spent yearning for a father he never truly had. The admission hung in the air, fragile yet powerful, a bridge across a chasm of years and unspoken pain. In that single moment, the air shifted, and the first tender tendrils of forgiveness, hesitant yet persistent, took root. The days that followed were a delicate dance of rediscovering a family fractured by fate.
Laughter, absent for far too long, filled the apartment, slowly erasing the years of silence.
Old photo albums brimming with faded memories were lovingly explored.
Jack paused at a picture of his father, young and hopeful, his mother's radiant smile lighting up the frame.
He gently placed the photo on the mantel, acknowledging the life his father had lived, the love he had lost, and the possibility of new beginnings. One sun-drenched afternoon, amidst the earthy scent of freshly tilled soil in a community garden, Jack found solace.
As he showed Thomas the quiet art of coaxing seeds into seedlings, the garden became more than a place of growth. It mirrored the blossoming reconciliation between a father and son, proving that even in the most barren landscapes, life finds a way. "Forgiving my father wasn't easy," Jack confessed later, his voice imbued with a newfound wisdom.
The pain is still there.
But in choosing kindness, in choosing to release the past, we discovered something far greater.
We found a chance to rebuild our family.
And that is a miracle worth fighting for.
Their story, though unique in its details, speaks to the universal human longing for connection, for second chances, for the profound healing power of forgiveness. In a world fractured by division and discord, Jack and Thomas's journey reminds us of the extraordinary power within each of us, the power to choose love over anger, to embrace forgiveness rather than clinging to resentment. Within those courageous acts of grace, we find redemption not only for others, but also profound liberation for ourselves. So I ask you, dear viewer, who in your life deserves that same grace, that same courageous compassion?